Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to connect your website to Pinterest. So if you're new to Pinterest, you're a blogger or a business and you want to connect your website so people can click through to your pins, follow along with me. So you can see I'm on my profile. I've already claimed my website, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to do it yourself. So click on the top right hand corner, click down and then click on settings. From there, you're going to go to the left-hand side and scroll down and click on link to Pinterest. So from here, you should see a websites tab. You can see mine is already claimed here. If you want to claim yours, you click on claim, and there's a few different ways you could do it. So you could add HTML tag to your website. So you need to paste that and add it into the head section of your website. You can also upload HTML file. So you need to download it and upload it to your website's root directory, or you could add a TXT record. So once you've done that, you click on continue and you should see that your website starts showing up as claimed on Pinterest. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.